So one of the biggest things that I have had questions on is, what do I do if the fob is dead? How do I get into the vehicle? How do I start it? So the easiest thing to do is, if there's a little tiny switch right there, you're just going to push it back and then the key pops out. So you'll use the key to open the door. Yes, it'll set the alarm off, but the next thing that you do is the fob, all you have to do is take the fob and touch the end of it to the engine start button. Now, there is a kind of like a transmitter in the fob, and there's also one on the button. So it'll be in that close proximity to start the vehicle. So I'll show you how to do it. All right, so you would put your key in, unlock, okay? Then you would come here. So you literally just take the fob, hold it up to it, boom, starts up right away. So to remove the battery, you're gonna need a small flathead screwdriver. And basically what you wanna do is you wanna wedge it right in between the remote, and you just wanna jimmy it down until it loosens off. Okay, and then boom, there is your battery. And this battery, I'll tell you what it is, or at least the battery that I use. I don't know if I'll be able to focus in on it here. It is a Panasonic CR2032, 3-volt. And that is how you get the battery out. Then to put it together, it's just held in by little kind of grooves here. So you just have to push till you hear the snaps all the way around. And then there you are. And then you just put your key back in. And then I have a little special protector boot that I put on, and it's all good to go.